morning, it's Friday, 6:48 on the 12th of October, which is the 12th of October. And let's just go through the scenarios from yesterday versus what happened. Scenario 1. Is a test to the NFP high area. Continuation higher to the 673 HBN. Scenario 2 was a test outside of the previous day's range and a drop down to either the LVN or the divot in the profile below, around 562. Scenario 3 was a trend day up, going higher than 673 and starting without a dip. What happened is this. This is yesterday's day. A dip which had already happened when I was doing the video, and it held there, extended up on news, quickly sold off lower than the open, probably tested the HBN of this area on the way down and continued higher. And finished at the high in this is how it looked. This is the morning drop. It was a very, very prolonged side move with areas of consolidation appearing up and down, up and over and under the mid. It was difficult to find a clear, it's difficult to find an easy, good risk-reward scenario to set up to get in. But these zippers helped me. And then this was a news-driven pop. This was a burst out of this long coiling area. A lot of energy here, burst up here. And then on the news we had this move back down to the scene of the crime. And then I was expecting it to continue higher. And took a trade. Got stopped. And tested the VPOC of the balanced area from the morning. And then continued higher. Tested the VPOC, found buyers, asked for confirmation in a way, and continued higher and finished at the high of the day, which is a bullish sign. So what my expectations are for today are as follows. We open where we closed. Sorry, let's just start again. Right. We'll open where we close. Test lower to the value area high. Extend to the HVN at the top. Have a little bounce or a consolidation. Go to this well pronounced LVN. Take away previous week's high, make this week an outside week. And test and reach the HVN at 708. That's the range expectations that I have for today on the upside. I expect this to be, in scenario 1, I would expect this to happen slowly and the range to be achieved a latter part of the day. That's my scenario 1. Scenario 2 is we open 649, extend higher, tag this, then on the way down get to the BPOG, of course, the LVN, and bounce, and close inside previous day's value area. That's my scenario 2. Didn't make a very good drawing out of it. Scenario 3, judging by the strong close and the trendish nature of yesterday's, it looks trendish on the 15-minute chart, but on the 4 tick it looks very whipsawy. But my scenario 3 is for a brief test lower and a energetic move up like a trend day to 708 and above. The difference between scenario 1 and scenario 3 is that I would expect this to happen sooner instead of a trend, instead of a balancey action, more of a trendy action, price action. So that is my scenarios for today, and I'll see you again on Monday.